Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create a poll in your YouTube community post. Your community post allows you to interact with your viewers on YouTube by creating a poll. In a poll, you can ask a question and you can supply 5 choices which your audience have to choose from. Please note, to be able to create community post, your YouTube account needs to have more than 500 subscribers at the time of making this video. So to create a poll, open up your YouTube app. Now on the app, tap on the plus sign which is at the bottom center, then tap on create a post. Once you do that, you'll come to this screen. Now on this screen, first decide if you want this poll to go out to everyone on YouTube or only your members. You can do this by selecting public. Public is for everyone and all channel members are only for your subscribers. Next, tap on the clock if you want to schedule this post. Next, tap on the chart icon which you see above the keyboard. Now here where it says ask your community, go ahead and type in your question. Then at the bottom, type in your answers. You can add a maximum of 5 answers. Once you've completed this, go ahead and tap on post to publish it to YouTube. This will then get published to your community post tab. Your audience can now answer questions according to what choices you have provided them with. And that is how to create a poll in your YouTube community post. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.